Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. Now that they're all done with the bathroom, I thought it'd be a good idea to tear out the carpet because it is kind of gross. Let's do some research. Okay, I really like this video by Home Repair Tutor. It looks pretty simple, cut and rip out. I don't have a good utility knife, and Reddit was also recommending one of these floor scrapers. Let's go shopping. We're back from shopping. Here are the prices, not too bad. I went with this one because Reddit recommended it, and there's also a Project Farm video saying it's pretty good. The gloves, I normally pick whatever is most comfortable. Let's go set things up. I'm really liking these gloves. They're light and breathable, but probably not the best protection because this knife felt pretty sharp outside of the box. Definitely wearing an N95. Got some pliers if I needed. We do have the tack strips that I was seeing in some videos. Let's work on the rest of the room. The coolest thing I've seen is they will cut a slit up top here and a strip underneath to pull through, and we can carry this a little easier to the garbage. Let's finish getting the rest of the carpet out. The bottom padding cushion came out pretty easily. This entire piece here didn't even have any staples. It slides out very effortlessly. Gonna roll these up, get them in the garage, and start working on removing the tack trimming and the staples. I don't see any staples for the bottom green layer. It looks like they just applied some adhesive and called it a day. The tack strips are coming out pretty easily with crowbar and hammer. A little nervous about the crack in the foundation. Not sure what to do next. Maybe paint and then figure out what kind of hardwood looking vinyl we want. But for now, video 311 done.